Welcome guys, you didn't ask for it, but today I'm going to introduce you guys to my video. I am in the app PowerDirector by Cyberlink, and in today's video I'm going to show you my editing skills, my vlogging adventure, Jay's project. Nope, that's not it. There we go. Not just. There we go. Alright, there we go. We're good. We're good to go. So what I did was I took the video and I you can move the I'm going to be right here. How about that? I'm going to be right here. You guys can look at me and see what I did for that hand movement transition. So what I did was I placed my hand right here, right before I ended the video, and at the start of the video as well. So at the very beginning of the video, I did this. And then once I did that, I raised my hand up in the air, like this. You see that? I'll do it again. You see? I'll do it one more time. Hello. Alright. So I did that at the very beginning. That's why you saw the hand thing. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you could go look at my editing. It's going to be in the description below. Sorry, I can't think of it right now. I don't even know my own video. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, so anyway, I'll do it one more time if you guys need to see that. So, there we go. That was my intro. You can make it however you want. I'm not saying you have to do it like this. You can do it any way you want, but this is how alright? So what I did was I moved until I reached this part of the wall. Or, you know, anywhere you're going. If you're in a location like outside, then you can go how many paces you want. Just have a blast. Just go to a location, shoot yourself, walking, I don't know. If you're wanting to make it like a walking thing where you're like walking the entire time, then you can do it while you're walking. You could do it sitting. It kind of works anywhere. So once you're done with that, then you if you want to transition, then you have to move your hands over here. Remember to do that the entire time. Make sure there's no cracks, otherwise you'll see some little editing mistakes if you're ever wanting to do that. Alright, and then once you do that, so I'll do that one more time. So I'm right here. I'm going to be walking all the way to the wall. Once I do that, I move my hand right in front of the camera, and then the next scene happens. Alright? And then I was walking like this. Or I don't know how I was exactly like. Something, I don't remember what the video is exactly like. You'll probably see it, but anyway, I think I was like walking like this, and then I did the whole hand movement. Oh, I know what I did. What I did was I was like right here. I did the whole hand thing, and then remember what I told you. Do that when you first open the camera thing, and then once you do that, then you move yourself forward. Alright, so in the video, I transitioned by doing that, and then I was walking over here, all happy like, and then once I did that, I was at the corner of my room, or of our hallway, because this is how as much as we could use right now. Then once you do that, then you close your hand, and then next transition. I think you got the general gist of it. Here's some pieces of what I had. Here is a video of me. I'll play it right now. Oops. Oh no, that's a blooper. Yeah, that's a blooper. Sorry about that. Let me go on to the next one. Oop, no. I try to find what I'm really looking for. Here it is. This might be it. Nope, that's an what? Is that it? I think that's it. Yeah. Okay. So once you do that, then you go over to the next part, which you probably see in the video. I won't spoil much, but what I had was this part, I think. Oh no, that's the. No. I don't want you guys to see that quite yet. Okay, you know what? This will be a good example. All right, so this is what happened. All right, this isn't exactly what happened in the video, but it doesn't matter. All right, here we go. Whoopsies. Ah. Okay, there we go. Alright, so as you can see, it doesn't really mix well, but you need to have the right lighting. It's kind of in a bad area right now. Sometimes if you hide the mixture a little bit, then you'll be able to get it more how you like it. Yeah, this wasn't a good example. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's better. Okay, so I'll show it again. Here we go. Here I am walking across the bedroom there. And then there we go.
What are you doing?
Is my little transition. Not the best, but I don't know. I think I'm pretty proud of it. I am definitely going to delete it because I don't want anyone to see it except you. And if that's... Oh, and you can add music too. Maybe I'll show another video about that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. Hopefully you enjoyed insights of how to make a smooth transition using your hands, and maybe I'll see if I can help any of you else in the future making this little video here. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this Let's Play, I guess, to give you guys some help here. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!